Hi YouTubers, Terry here. I'm going to take a minute and share some cards that I made with the Scrapping for Less December 2018 I can't remember the name of it, banana split or double scoop or something like that. I don't know. But if you go to Scrapping for Less's website, you'll see they do these wonderful 4 different card kits each month, and you get all the stuff to make lots and lots and lots of cards. So this is one that I made. I'm so happy with how this turned out. I love the paper. If you go to their website, it'll tell you who did the paper and everything. I don't keep very good track of it, but I stamped and colored these with colored pencils. And this is a die cut that I have, and the inside is like this, and the envelope I stamped. The stamps come with the kit, and there's another snowflake. So that's one of the cards I made. And then this one is a I don't have everything to show you, but a Stamping Bella stamp that I used to make this card. And I like how that turned out. That is an embellishment that came with the kit, and cute little penguin. There's the inside of the card, and there's the envelope. So that's number 2. This is like a cocoa mug shaker that came with it, and the sequins came with it, and I just colored it in. The paper and the plastic snowflakes came with it. Sending hugs. And here's the inside, and here's the envelope. And this one's Big Bear Hugs. I embossed this actually. I like to emboss every once in a while. It makes it easier to color and sets things off real well. And then these are from the sequin mix that came with it, and the papers that I didn't use on the card, snowflake stamps that came with it. There's that one. And then kit came with 2 sheets of this. I don't know how to explain it. It's like maybe it's kind of glassine paper. It's not parchment, and it's not waxed. It's probably a glassine. Anyway, and I cut this apart and made 8 of these little 3.5 by 3.5 cards. I need a lot of thank you cards and just quick cards at work, because I work in an elementary school and I'm a secretary, so I'm always needing stuff. So some I left blank on the inside, and then I didn't have the correct size envelope, so I just pulled out my Rear Memory Keepers envelope maker and a die that I have, and did this. So these are all pretty much the same. See, like this one, I stamped many thanks in there with the stamp that I had, but the outside's the same. I really like these envelopes. So these aren't to mail. These would be to give to people. This one is blank. But these were so simple to make. That one again says many thanks. They were so amazingly simple to make, but they're really, really cute. So you can, keep your eye on things, because this was like just 2 pieces of paper or glassine. That one has many thanks on it. I think I did 4 with many thanks, and 4 I left empty. So I wanted to share. That's my little card share with you for these were quick and easy. These took a little bit longer, but were worth the effort. So thank you for watching, and I'm hoping to get back into doing videos again. I just, yeah, I'm struggling with the new phone and transferring it to YouTube. My old phone, it was so easy. So anyway, I hope to be back soon with some more shares, and bye for now.